Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to add your insurance card to Apple Wallet in 2025. With the latest iOS updates, this feature has become even more seamless, helping you access your important cards right from your iPhone for emergencies or everyday needs. Let's dive in and get you set up in no time. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the most recent iOS version. Think iOS 19 or whatever's current in 2025. Head to Settings, tap General, and then Software Update to check and install any pending updates. This step is crucial because newer features might not work otherwise. Once you're all updated, open the Wallet app from your home screen. It's that familiar green icon that you've probably used for adding credit cards or IDs. If you don't see it, swipe through your apps or search for it. Now, tap the plus button in the upper right corner. This opens up options for adding new items. Look for Insurance Card in the list. Apple has made this straightforward with dedicated support for health and auto insurance in 2025. Next, you'll be guided through entering your details. You can either manually input your policy number, provider name, expiration date, and any other required info, or use the camera to scan your physical card if your insurer partners with Apple. Pro tip: double-check for accuracy to avoid any issues later. After reviewing everything, hit Add or Save, and your card will appear in your wallet. You can now access it instantly by double-clicking the side button on your iPhone. One more thing. If you run into any errors, like compatibility issues, ensure your insurance provider supports Apple Wallet. It's always a good idea to update your card details if your policy changes. And there you have it. You're all set. Adding your insurance card to Apple Wallet is a game changer for convenience. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.